Disclaimer, all stunts performed in this video are done in a controlled professional environment where no one is able to get hurt.
What's good, YouTube? It's your boy Kari Beats back with a POV, as y'all can see. And as y'all can tell by the title and thumbnail, you know what I'm saying, we're gonna talk about these tire setup, the tire setup that I got on my car. You know what I'm saying? This is what came with the car. I didn't, you know what I'm saying, I didn't pick this, but it wasn't really a bad choice. Could have been better, but beggars can't be choosers, you know what I'm saying? Make sure I hit that like button, hit the subscribe button though, you feel me? On the road to 20K, get your boy to 20K the quick way. But anyway, yeah, we finna just see how good these Nittos is. We're gonna do like a little roll, few little roll pulls. Not nothing too crazy and dramatic. We in custom mode with it. And you know what I'm saying, with a transmission in sport. So okay. I was gonna put it in the street. I might still put it in the street, cause we ain't got no gas right now. We gonna have to drive. We're gonna drive that gas until, you feel me, a nigga needs some gas again. Hold on, I'm turning it off. Yeah, we're gonna do a little 40 roll, not full throttle, probably like 50. Car coming. Man, it look like, oh, that my boy right there. Might try to call me. I can't really do too much on that road. But I'm gonna tell y'all how the tires do from what I done did that y'all haven't seen. But basically, man, hold on. But basically, man, these tires, they pretty good. Not gonna hold you. Like, these tires are definitely like pretty decent for what they is. And the tread on these is about gone. Like, they still, obviously, you know, Nittos are sticky. These are Nittos. I forgot what kind, but they Nittos. And they sticky, bro, and they get hot. You know, once they get a little warmed up. And the tread on these, like the tread, like that's the tread in the middle, it ain't that, you feel me? Probably like, it's dang near flat. You can rub your finger across it, it got a groove, you feel the little bump of the groove, how it kind of like got a little tread, but it's almost gone, bro. I'd say like 25% tread, you feel me? Like, maybe 30, you feel me? But other than that, like that mud definitely, you feel me, out of there. I see lights down the road, so you know what that means. Gonna bust a turn. I was gonna bust a turn anyway, but that to really make you bust a turn then, you feel me? Hey, y'all boys straight, hold on, cuz. Make sure y'all boys good. Okay, yeah, we good. Man, there go Buddy again. With the scat. Oh, whatever going on, them boys straight. You feel me? See the police out here looking at 2 cars. But yeah, anyway, man, yeah, the Nitto do pretty, you know, they do pretty well. Let me see what their road looking like. I may let y'all boys see a little something. Just listen to that whine though, nigga. Alright, let's see though. It's a little wet spot right here, I don't know. It's a little dip right here. I ain't gonna give y'all nothing too crazy. And the traction is in what, sport? Yeah. Traction in sport, so of course we're gonna get a little swirly, you feel me? But that's the point. I'm trying to see how swirly you get. See, that mug spun in just a little bit, but it was going straight, you feel me? It don't be crazy. If it's spinning, it ain't like that spinning when it gets inside. When not in the rain, of course, yes, but when it's dry, you know what I'm saying, it ain't that bad. When it's dry, it ain't that bad, you feel me? Another 40 roll, come on. Stick 'em. See? It just spins just a little bit, and that's not full throttle, cuz I'm just telling y'all, like, I don't full throttle my cars, bro. Y'all think I be lying, I really don't. If I could put a camera down there that can see and show, bro, I do not put the, bro, I'm telling you. That's how you learn your car, though. Y'all wanna know something real talk? You wanna learn your car as far as like throttle, when to give in, when to give out, bro. Just learn how to make your car spin tires like at a roll or whatever. You feel me? The strongest roll, but without flooring it. Once you learn that, you can play with it and know how to control it, bro. It's over with. And I just gave y'all boy a free game. Shouldn't even really did that, but you feel me? That free game, cuz. No cap. That's literally free game, nigga. y'all hear the wine still. I know y'all can, but it's just like, I know that wind, I don't know how strong that wind be on the camera for real. But yeah. But yeah, man, these Nitto, they not bad, y'all can see. You know what I'm saying? Hold on. Get y'all another little second gear pull. So they spun in, cause I made it, you feel me? Like, I know that what y'all saying, like full throttle, but I'm just showing y'all like still, bro, it gon' spin. But I may give y'all one good punch one, like real, you know what I'm saying? Just because, but right now, we chilling. We doing it, but not really, you feel me? But these tires not bad. I can imagine, I can only imagine how they is with like a brand new pair. Like a brand new pair, like on the road, I know them bro, eating. I know they is, cause these eating when they, depending on how hot they get, these boys be eating, boy. Like, no lie. Y'all let me know how much y'all like that wine though, bro. Just like, be for real, cuz this a cat we talking about now. I know y'all love that wine, nigga. Hold on, them boy done opened up for me. Open up the road for me. Stick 'em. You see what I'm saying, bro? Now that was to the flow. Like, almost like 90%. Like, I ain't feel it click, but it was like, that was way further than I ever pushed it. And you saw that little spin. I let it shift on its own that time. I'm telling you, bro. Crazy, buddy. Crazy, buddy. No more locked doors, buddy. We in a Hellcat, buddy. Hellcat make noise go too fast, buddy. Word to little baby, buddy. And by the way, transmission is in street, so just imagine in sport, you feel me? That's what I'm just saying, y'all, but I'm getting y'all like, you know what I'm saying, the bare minimum of like, you feel me? The horsepower of the cat, the capability of the cat, bro, with these Nittos. Now let's get y'all boys a little, hold on, y'all boys a little 20. See, it's spinning, but you know what I'm saying, it ain't wicked, you feel me? Like, and that still wasn't all the way in there, and that's in street mode, bro. We are in street mode, cuz, with traction and sport. Obviously, if I turn traction on, let me turn traction on. Just so y'all don't be in the comment, bro, you ain't do it, traction though. So I'm gonna turn traction on and watch how it don't spin, bro. That's what I'm saying, that's with traction and sport. You feel me, 20%. I'm gonna give y'all a little quick one right here. That mug ain't spin at all then. You feel me? I'm telling you. I'm telling you, car crew. I'm Nitto straight, but just imagine they had that tread. These mothers be hooking and booking. They be hooking and booking, girl. No cap. That mother be doing or do like the number one, not the two, nigga. But y'all see me with my, you know what I'm saying, driving my Hellcat with my wine, you know what I'm saying, drinking and driving with the wine. Nigga. Most niggas drink and drive that tequila and all that other, nigga. We drinking and driving with the wine, nigga. These folks get out my way out here. Oh. Oh. I'm gonna go ahead and change that thermostat too, cuz I think that thermostat's sticking a little bit. Only why I know that, cause Olivia, when I had to change my radiator, they ain't change my thermostat, and that's what they were doing. Not like that, but like, you know, they'll do it quick. Ain't supposed to do it that quick. I ain't even really dogging the car. I am holding the gears though. And the car pretty, you know what I'm saying, the car get warm pretty quick because of the supercharger. Supercharger made the car get warm quicker. That's what they be saying, bro. I see what they say about the heat soaks and all that, bro. That's not real. But that more, you got a supercharger working and an engine working. See, it's different when it's just an engine. You feel me? You got two temperatures. That supercharger get just a little bit hotter, a little bit cooler than the engine do. You know what I'm saying? Temperature wise, it's at least 100. You feel me? Like 100 degrees a lot, nigga, when it's on the car. 150. Well, for something like that, for something that ain't like, you know what I'm saying, a engine block. You feel me? But yeah, cuz we just showing y'all boy what's going with these Nitto, with these nigga toe tires. You feel me? These are the nigga toes, you know what I'm saying? Cause y'all know how black people get when we barefoot on the foot race, nigga. Unstoppable. Traction on 1,000. Man. Traction on 1,000. So I got traction on right now. What is it? Hold on. Stick 'em. Oh, it still spun. Okay, it spun a little bit, but that was traction all the way on. That wasn't that bad. Once that little get out, once that little right there, get out of the way. But you out of there, I'm telling you. For that wine, boy. I know if I take that hood off, bro, my goodness. Even with this weird choice of air intake brand. Slow it down, cuz. Dang, but them niggas out of school? Oh, it must be like fall. No, it ain't fall break. Is it? They have fall break in the first week of October? I thought that was in like the last week of October, or not last week, first week in November. No, I know it ain't, cause then you got Thanksgiving. Damn, boys out of school already. Them boys be out of school a lot, nigga. We ain't never used to be out of school that much, nigga. I remember when fall break was 3 days. That was a nigga like an elementary. Fall break would be like 3 days, and then you get like an extra day over the weekend or something like that. That's it. Or you get like a Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday, or Thursday, Friday, something like that. Nigga go to school like Monday through Wednesday. These niggas get whole weeks and be getting off for random time. Nigga go to school and far too like a whole school shut down for 3 days. Like, damn, that boy don't know nothing. Nathaniel. See, now y'all got to see it at a real low road. See how you got a little chirpy? Oh, yeah. You got a little chirpy. But you feel me? You know what I'm saying? They're not bad though. Nitto tires are not bad. If you want to go Nitto, you know what I'm saying, on the cat, brand new pair, obviously, you're not nowhere near brand new. And they still holding up pretty well. It doesn't matter if they were brand new, you know what I'm saying? But, oh, but that bird almost got hit by my car. If I was going a little bit faster. But, oh, GFP going that way. Someone was telling me I'm finna go that way, but then I had a tug. That's my tug right there. GFP, boy. I go the long way, cuz it's okay. It's okay. I don't mind. Yes, sir. Look at that. Why the hell that girl holding her hands up like this? Like she was in that bitch doing a nay-nay. Look at that. But no, I forgot what I was finna say. I forgot what I was talking about. But yeah, if you want to get Nitto, bro, Nitto not bad, especially a brand new pair. Everybody gonna be like, man, Nitto trash. They not the best brand street tires, bro. What you expect? They not the radios, nigga. Now if you got a radio on, you spinning like that, yeah, them radio trash. Or nigga, your car way faster than what you think it is. Well, 9 times out of 10, the radio is trash. Your car ain't fast, nigga. Not like mine, nigga. Look at that. Now how a nigga get, boy, nigga get a faster whip. No nigga get a cat. Yeah, man. Oh, slow it down, cause you're moving too fast. That ain't even the police. I'm finna go smoke his ass. Dang, he pump fake me. That wasn't even the police. Look at that. He can't stand nigga that got whipped like that. trying to let y'all boy hit a wine, man. Nigga like that, out here cop blocking the street, nigga. But yeah, Nitto straight though, you feel me? Roll these windows up. Nitto straight though, cuz. I ain't gonna hold you. They straight for the price. I forgot what they call brand new. All the tires high, really, ain't gonna cap. You gonna spend a couple hundred. For 2 tires, you gonna spend, you know what I'm saying, close to a rack or less. It'll be a little less, depending on what one you get. Nittos, I think they definitely less than 1,000 for 2 of them. Depending on what size you get. I got 305, so, you know what I'm saying, you just do your math how you wanna do it on that. I go 305, you feel me? Go big or go home, look like. 315 cool, but they too big. 315 rub. These 305 rub when I turn a little bit. And I'm talking about that mean you turning slow. It just all depends. That one just like, y'all nigga be going 315, nigga trim. Y'all ready? And I ain't even shit. I let the shit on his own. Like red lines. You know what I'm saying, bro? They pretty straight. Traction on. Now we're gonna go trash it back off. And that's how I like my custom mode, you feel me? I don't get in custom mode to hood, nigga. I get in custom mode to play around, nigga. So they spin a little bit, but they don't spin to where they leave marks or nothing like that, you feel me? You just can feel it. Cause you know when them are going. Look at that. Look at that mud. Bro, I love that suspension on here that you can change that, bro. They should have put that on scats, bro. No lie, that's hard. You put added suspension on the scat, well, you can make it street, make it soft like this. You're a bad man. You'll be a bad man in that road, boy. But yeah, car crew, I just want to show y'all boy a little educational, whatever about these tires that I got on right now. Just wait till I put the radials on, the radial rims on, you feel me? Got something in store for y'all, boy. Then we're gonna really be getting on nigga ass. Then we may get a little content, you know what I'm saying? I may get invited, you feel me, to a little fast boy event, you feel me? I may get invited. Nigga may finally, you know what I'm saying, respect the nigga a little bit. I don't care though. Nigga, you know what I'm saying? Nigga respect the big Lil, nigga, you know what I am. The big one, not the little one, nigga. But anyway, yeah, man. For all my religious folk, man, y'all boys stay prayed up. Keep God first, man. Stay safe out here in these streets. You know what I'm saying? Keep God first in everything that you do. I should have turned that way. You know what I'm saying? He will direct your path, you feel me? I know it ain't easy. You know what I'm saying? But keep working. Keep trying. Don't give up. Don't lay down. And put a smile on your face. When you fail, bro, still just get back up and put a smile on your face, cuz they can't do nothing with a man that keeps smiling, I'm telling you. But anyway, they ain't that crib hard. But anyway, man, like I say in all the end of my videos as well, man, I'm out of here like yesterday.